Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's unboxing of the new Ninja Foodi Grill. It sears, it sizzles and air crisps. It has a chef created recipe book, a 25cm square grill plate which is high density non-stick PT, FE and PFOA free ceramic coated grilling surface which will fit 4 225 gram burgers or 4 200 gram chicken breasts. It comes with a hinged grill lid used to create and capture up to 265 degrees Celsius airflow for fast, more flavorful cooking. The spatter guard is removable, dishwasher safe shield, keeps the heating element clean and helps prevent smoke. And with a 5.7 litre cooking pot which is non-stick, it will fit a 1.3 kilogram roast. There's a 5-in-1 base so you can grill your favourite foods to char grilled perfection or go beyond grilling with 4 other convenient cooking functions which are air crisp, roast, bake and dehydrate. Crisper basket itself is 3.7 litre capacity and it holds 900 grams of french fries or chips, and it has a cleaning brush. This is how you get a nice char grilled flavour and appearance to your food. You can cook food from frozen to char grilled in 25 minutes, and with no flip all round searing you can cook a beautiful fresh tasty piece of salmon in 8 minutes. It uses up to 75% less fat than deep frying. You can enjoy guilt-free fried food. With 260 degrees Celsius rapid cyclonic air surround searing and a high density char grilled plate, you get cyclonic grilling technology in the kitchen which is virtually smoke free because it has a smoke control system. Manufactured by the Shark Ninja company, and I'm very excited to show you what it can do. Okay, let's kick off this Ninja Foodi Grill party with some wedges. We're going to serve those with some sweet chili sauce and some sour cream, or you could use yogurt. I've just got some wedges here, just normal potatoes. I've just washed them and I'm going to tip them into a salad spinner and shake all of the water out of them. Washing the water off them removes the starch, and the starch is what inhibits them getting crisp. So we'll just shake that all around. We're going to tip it back into this bowl, pour some blended edible vegetable oil in there. You can use peanut oil, anything with a high smoking content. Don't use olive oil, that's not very good for that. Okay, so take these out now. Nice and dry, all that water's come off there. It's nice and clean as you can see. Tip those in there, give them a little dash around with our oil, pop them into our Foodi Grill, and this is going to be the first dish that we actually cook with our Foodi. I'm really quite excited about this. Okay, power's on, throw them into the basket. They're all quite coated at this stage and separated. We're ready. Power, air fry, we want it on pretty high. What does it go to? 240. 240 is the highest, and we press start. It's preheating, I'm not too worried about that. The heat that's generated now will actually expel any extra water and start the cooking time. And then we're going to cook it for 20 minutes. Okay, we're just giving them a bit of a toss around with a silicone spatula and put them on again. Just remove them, put them to one side, and we'll add our gruel. Now I've got a couple of pieces of chicken that have just been used to make stock, and I've got some broccolini here. I'm just going to put a splash of toasted sesame oil on the broccolini, give it a bit of a toss around to coat, and close the lid. I want the broccolini to be still quite crisp, but I want the chicken to cook and get a little bit crisp as well. Just pop those wedges back in last minute just to get a little bit more heat on them because they've been standing to one side, and they'll be lovely, nice and crisp. We're serving them with some sour cream and some sweet chili sauce, and they are divine. Thanks for watching. Now these little wedges are nice and crisp on the outside with a soft, fluffy, moist inner centre, and you can see how tasty they are.